In this quick video, we will show you a fast and simple way to remove background pixels when the image composition has a high foreground-background tonal contrast. My name is CJ Robb and I'm the facilitator for this video. Let's get started. Begin by opening the file through the File pull-down menu to Open. Browse to find the file that I have open or find one of your own. Next, pick on the Magic Wand tool from the main toolbar. Look to the Options panel at the top of your screen. Pick on the Select Subject button and notice that the firefighter is now selected. Go to the Selection pull-down menu to Inverse Selection. We want to remove the background pixels, so we must first unlock the background layer, and then go to the Edit pull-down menu to clear. Go to the Select pull-down menu to deselect. Let's crop this image closer to the figure. Accept the change to the new file size. Go to the File pull-down menu and save this file as a copy. Choose PNG file, which stands for Portable Network Graphics File. A PNG file retains the transparent background so that we can use the figure in a composite rendering. I'm CJ Robb. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the station CJ Robb Classes on YouTube at Charisse Janelle. Thank you for watching.